guys, as you can see, the fence started all the way from down there. And a whole lot of land has been cleared. You can see the extension of the fence. So far. Let's go down to the prayer ground. We apologize for the breaking transmission. Board. These are the security team. What is that? These are the security team. Having their security brief. See the fence. The distance of the fence is so far. I have to do it to brief. And over there are the canteen for those who want to eat when they break their fast. As you can see, the tents. The various tents. And that is the car park. Okay. Welcome to Zion City. People are gradually arriving, and that over there is the security stand. That's for the armed forces, as you can see. The armed forces. So let's go around. Right? You can't see what's coming. They are gradually coming in. There is the entrance gate. As you can see, different cars coming in. You can see I'm gradually coming in. And this is the spot for articles. I don't know if this amount of water will be enough. Some help. These are the various articles. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma.
This is Sacramental Sales Department.
You can see.
Yes, so Zion! Okay, teacher. Onye Bukobi. On a Zion. Life, I'm not here. They will get me announced. Yes, so this is Ngopala. Zion City. Zion City. Imo State. Imo State. Ngopala. Akurulo Nkembo. Nibola.
These are the articles. These are the oil. Thank you.
We are ready.
These are the
Chibike. Yaba. That's the man who we again. Ndi miniwa. Onye moto.
setting up this thing. And those are the medical teams. So guys, we will give you current updates back to back. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to this week because we are going to be giving you updates. Okay. So wherever you are in any part of eastern Nigeria, all road leads to Zion City. All road leads to Zion City. Start coming down. Start coming down. Okay guys, as you can see, a lot of people are here already. We move.
Oh, this is Zion Ministry.
Good morning,
February 2025. Open ground again. We will take our person one by one. Zion, don't fight grace, yo. Don't fight grace, yo. Grace you win this race, yalla. Nothing I walk we go as a baha. Nothing I do money as a baha. Ugobuzo Ochake. Ugobebuzona Ochake. Ugobebuzona Ochake. Ugobuzo Ochake.
You came all the way from Lagos?
Yes, all the way from Lagos.
Wow.
Yow.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We fly. Okay. All the way from Akwa Ibom. Oh my God. All the way from Akwa Ibom. Wow, that's really wonderful, sir. Wow, just to be in this program.
For God to do it for us. All our desires, we want God to do it for us.
Amen.
Because we are in Zion's land. If we come to Zion, we will get what we want.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Have faith.
Yeah.
And have faith.
True.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's only the God of Zion that will
Can
do
do
it.
it. Yes.
That's why we are here.
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's really inspiring.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. You're highly welcome. Okay, guys. As you can see, people even came all the way from Lagos, all the way from Akwa Ibom, southern part of. Okay, thank you so much. We fly. Thank you. Okay, so over there is the stage. As you can see, people are already seated. A lot of people are still coming. A lot more are still coming. A lot more are still on their way. So wherever you are, start coming down to Zion City. Ngopala. Start coming down to Zion. Ngopala. IMO State. As you can see, people are ready for today. People are ready for today. Okay, and these are the medical team. Good morning. Good morning, ma. Go, kindly introduce yourself, ma. Okay. Okay, this is Seraphic TV. So, can you tell us your name, your branch? Because I can see you guys are wearing a uniform.
IMO State Medicals.
Wow, IMO State Medicals.
Yes.
And what do you guys plan on doing today? What do you guys plan on doing today?
Yeah, we are here to take care of, at least our spiritual director takes care of the spiritual part of it, while we medicals take care of the physical part of it. In case of any.
Thank you so much,
You're
man.
welcome.
Alright, guys, so let's go see the stage. As you can see, the lights have been mounted, and that over there is the stage. Okay, guys, so we will come your way very soon. We have to run and do conclude our setup for the program. Stay tuned, you want to share the video, you want to follow the page for live updates. Thank you so much and God bless you all.